the secret of a cat's. Homing instinct. Cats, like birds, have an amazing ability to find their way home. Scientists believe they use 3 clues: their internal clock, the sun's position, and Earth's magnetic field. This helps them navigate long distances. But here's the twist. If a cat's owner moves far away, the cat might not find them. Why? Because the cat's map is based on the old home, not the new one. This laconic explanation shows how nature's tricks are both clever and limited. Cats are amazing, but even they can't rewrite their instincts.